Welcome to the channel. This is my brief review on the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. These are a few of the shots that I took. I like the fact that it does a bulb effect and then automatically makes it into a video. I did the star trails with it. And it has time lapse in it, super slow-mo in it. I threw it on the drone, as you can see. 5K capabilities. You could take out the fisheye. It has a bunch of things, and a lot of people have negative reviews. They got their pluses and their minuses, but I think ultimately it's a great camera to have. I was in a show at the Apollo the other day. I just took out this little camera. Whatever. Go buy it. Don't listen to everybody else. I love that camera. Oh, that's my quick, brief review on the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning into the channel.